It's been 5 months since I've last driven this car and I can't wait. I've been dying. So before I start it up, I gotta cut to a clip I filmed back in October 2025 when I installed the last part for that car. I'm not sure where I am in this vlog, but something exciting just came in for the GTR. Magnetic paddle shifters. I'm so excited. It just came in. I'm getting installed tomorrow before I put the car away. Ooh. Oh, I'm excited for this. Oh, man. Oh, that's exciting. Okay. And yeah, so as you can see, I have magnetic paddle shifters on this thing. I've only driven it once because I had to put it away for winter. So let's go take it out of storage. It's beautiful today. Let's go for a drive. And then I got to put the wing back on because I can't drive that without a wing. So let's go do that. Not gonna lie, I forgot how loud this thing was. Oh my god. Alright, let's go put the wing back on. Alright, quick little before. Bam, just like that, the wing is back on. Alright. Oh, I forgot how good this thing looks. Alright. We're gonna go for a drive now.
To a Wi-Fi network, the name starts.
Oh man, what a beautiful day. I'm gonna take it easy for now, let it warm up, and then I'll step on it a little bit. I forgot how to change maps on my car. I have the Ecutech map. Oh, it needs to update. Oh my lord. So the app needs to update. I didn't know that. Wait. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh my god, I miss this car so much. Oh, this sounds so good. Man, and whenever I look at the back and I see the big wing, it's just so cool. Paddle shifters? I will say, after driving with these paddle shifters for like 10 minutes, I like how far down they go, so when I'm just cruising, I can just press it right down here. Well guys, thank you for watching that short little video today. I appreciate you Follow for more content because, man, this thing is so much fun. I hope your day goes great. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.